enjoy. Matchbox Moving Parts, and this one is the 1975 Mitsubishi Lancer Celeste. First of all, I've got to say it, this Matchbox line is really good, because you're not just getting a nice looking casting, you're actually getting a moving feature, something you can open and close, which makes it way more fun to handle on camera and also way more satisfying for collectors. And the price? $399. In my opinion, that's actually super fair for what you get. Good details, clean paint, and a proper moving parts gimmick. For under €4, that's a win. Let's talk about the real car for a second, the Mitsubishi Lancer. Celeste was a compact sporty coupe from the mid-1970s, with that classic fastback shape. It's one of those Japanese, old-school designs that just looks cool from every angle. Simple, lightweight vibes, and a really clean profile.